Okay, I did a factory reset on the TV. So you can see I get 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 5-1, 5-2, 8-1, 8-2, 8-3, 8-4, 8-5, 10-1, 10-3, 10-4, 12-1, 12-2, 12-3, 12-4, 15-1, 15-2, 15-3, 33-1, 33-2, 33-3, 33-4, 33-5. I'm sorry, 35-1, 35-3, 35-4, 38-1, 38-2, 38-3, 38-4, 38-5, 38-6, 38-7, 39-1, 39-2, 39-3, 51-1, 51-2, 51-3, 51-4, 51-5, 61-1, 61-2, 61-3, 61-4, 3.1. So you're going to see this next time around. I get the exact same stations. Everything's reset and those channels are locked in. And it'll stay this way for a few weeks. So 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 10, 1, 10, 3, 10, 4, 12, 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12, 4, 15, 1, 15, 2, 15, 3, 33, 1, 33, 2, 33, 3, 33, 4, 35, 1, 35, 3, 35, 4, 38, 1, 38, 2, 38, 3, 38, 4, 38, 5, 38, 6, 38, 7, 39, 1, 39, 2, 39, 3, 51, 1, 51, 2, 51, 3, 51, 4, 51, 5, 61, 1, 61, 2, 61, 3, 61, 4, and then back to 3.1. So this will last for a few weeks, and then it will lose some channels, but if you keep scanning around and around enough, they'll pop back up. So anyways, that is my issue. Thank you.